Hi everyone, come on, take this test and find out whether you can get the perfect score.
One,
I eat breakfast at 7 every morning.
2,
She goes to school by bus.
3,
We play football every Sunday.
4,
He does his homework after dinner.
5,
They live in a big city.
6,
You study very hard for your exams.
7,
She drinks coffee every morning.
8,
He works in the office on weekdays.
9,
They watch TV after dinner.
10,
We visit our grandparents on weekends.
11,
I listen to music in my free time.
12,
He washes his car every Sunday morning.
13,
She meets her friends every weekend.
14,
We walk in the park now and then.
15,
They study English at school.
16,
You are very kind to everyone.
17,
I read a book before sleeping.
18,
He plays football every afternoon.
19,
We get up early on weekdays.
20,
They have breakfast together every day.
Thanks for taking the test. How was it? Just share the result in the comment below.